Make a great choice today with the 2015 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.